Ever wondered why you yawn? It's not just because you're bored or sleepy, it's your brain's way of staying cool. When you yawn, you take in a deep breath of air which lowers the temperature of your brain, keeping it alert and focused. Think of it like an air conditioner for your head. So the next time someone catches you yawning, just tell them, "I'm not bored, my brain's just cooling down." Send this to someone who yawns a lot. They're probably just keeping their genius in check. In a world filled with constant distractions and information overload, yawning serves as a natural reset button for our minds. When you're feeling overwhelmed or sleepy, a good yawn can bring clarity and sharpness back to your thoughts. Just like our bodies need hydration, our brains crave this cool refreshment to function optimally. So the next time you feel that familiar urge, embrace it. Your brain is simply telling you it needs a break.